send Muhammad some energy as he walks back to his seat. Kennedy, come lead us in another form of clapping at the front. Another form. Remember, it goes 110, clap, clap, 120, clap, clap. We stop at 120, that's our goal. That's it, thank you. One more leader to pick one more way to count. Kyla, one more way to count. I want to hear you counting. You need to have some energy when you're counting.
10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 120,
Up, stop. 110, 115, 120. Remember, when we start to 100, it's just like starting over at 0. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. It's the same thing. 100, 105, 110, 115, 120. Good, stop there. All right, we're going to move to the carpet, and we are going to start working on, or we're going to continue working on subtraction with unknown addends. Thank you, friend. Are you ready to move to the carpet?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's move. Go ahead, Johnny. That was nice and quick, just how I like to see it. Oh, stop, stop. Go back to your chairs. I forgot to tell you something. My fault. Is it okay to make a mistake?
Yes.
Yes, it is. You should make it right. Okay, you need to sit on the perimeter of the carpet. Remember, that's the outside of the carpet. Do not come where my materials are. So find a place on the perimeter and stand. Thank you, Kyla. That was a quick decision. Thank you, Jamie, for being careful of my materials. Thank you, Tania. Thank you, Brianne, for being careful of my materials. I said stand, take the red bag off your back. Go over there. Not enough room over here. Elijah, move in a little bit. That should work. That should work. Go over there. There's probably not enough room over here. Thank you. You may have a quick, soft seat. Thank you. Elijah, if you could take 2 scooches over, that would work for me. Henry, if you could take 2 scooches over, that would work for me. That way everyone can see our materials. There's so many fun things up here. Move over. Go sit. Class.
Yes.
Class, class, class.
Yes, yes, yes.
Go sit next to Jacob. Can you make good choices over there? I think you can. Okay. So, what book did we read this morning? Who can tell me? What book did we read this morning? Henry. And his 4 groovy buttons. Pete the Cat and his 4 groovy buttons. And there was a lesson we learned from that. What was his lesson? What lesson did we learn? Jasmine.
It's okay to give away things like
You get new things. Things come and things go. Do we cry?
No.
Absolutely. Okay, so we learned that from Pete this morning. Pete's gonna lose and gain some buttons today. Yeah, ooh, I thought that you guys might like this. He's gonna lose and gain some buttons today, but don't worry, Pete's not gonna cry, is he? No, because things come and things go. Do we cry?
No.
Okay, so I am going to help you guys understand today how to do addition with an unknown addend. Remember, our unknown addend is our question mark. That's the one we don't know. There's already some in here. I know you're excited. There's already some in here. This is our unknown addend. Say that for me.
Unknown addend.
Say it again.
Unknown addend.
And I have, what do I have there in place of my number?
Question
A
mark.
question mark. What is it? Say it.
Question mark.
On your bottoms. In 3, 2, 1. It's a mystery. Okay, so Brittany the first grader is going to come visit us, and she's going to tell us what happens with Pete. What happens with his buttons. And what happens when we have a question mark for the number of buttons. Are you ready for Brittany the first grader to come and help you? She can't come until we're ready to sit. Thank you for handling that problem very nicely. You can sit right here, number 1. Thanks, friend. Okay. Are you ready for her to come?
Yes.
Before she comes, though, remember what we talked about yesterday. It's Brittany the first grader's job to do what? Think out loud. It's her job to think out loud. Johnny, can you please sit? Make a choice right here.
Don't step on.
On your bed. It's okay. It's okay. She's thinking, and who else is thinking?
Us.
You're thinking too.
About how we can do what you are doing.
Exactly, about how we can do what Brittany the first grader is doing. Are you ready for her to come?
Yes.
Here we go. Hey, class. It's good to see you again. We just had some fun in writing, didn't we?
Yes.
Okay, well, it's math time. It's math time. And I heard that you read Pete the Cat this morning. Is that right?
Yes.
I've read that book with my first grade teacher. So today you're learning how to use unknown addend, which look like question marks sometimes. So I'm going to start with some buttons on Pete's shirt. I have 3 buttons here. How many buttons do I have, Brittany?
You got 3.
I have 3 buttons here. 1, 2, 3. Elijah, you can move right over next to Henry. And you need to sit on your bottom. Thank you. Okay. Oh, it's okay. Just move up. Just move up. That's good. That's good. Okay. Now I know that there's 3 buttons on the shirt, and there's some buttons inside here. Ooh, I wonder what's in there. I can't wait to see. There's 3 buttons on the shirt. How many are in here? I don't know yet. Okay. Now, here's how many he has in total. So Pete started with 3 buttons. He added some more, and now he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, I know that if I have a mystery problem, if I have a mystery number, I can count on. So I'm going to start with 3. 3 in my head. 3 in my head. And then I'm going to count until I get to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That doesn't work. We went to 9. But I had 6 fingers. Oh, that must have been wrong. Let me try again. I made a mistake. Is it okay to make a mistake?
Yes.
It's okay to make a mistake. Let's try again. I have 3 in my head. I don't know how many are in here, but I need to get to 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that's better. I got to 6. How many are on my fingers?
3.
That must mean that 3 plus 3 equals...
6.
Let's see how many are inside here.
3.
1, 2, 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Okay, I'm ready to keep talking. Just give me a second. So let me think about what I just did. I had 3 in my head. I had 3 on my fingers. And all together I got 6. I just solved a problem using an unknown addend. I feel so proud of myself. Okay, you ready for Miss Hutchinson to come back?
Yes.
How was it? What did she do? I don't know. What did she do? Who can tell me what Brittany the first grader did? Eyes on me over here. What did she do, Jasmine?
We did count on it, and then once we got it, she opened the box and showed it.
What did you say? We did what?
We counted on.
We counted on. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That must have been really helpful for you guys to hear her count on, wasn't it? Yeah. She started with how many buttons?
3.
In her head, right?
Yes.
And then what did she do? What did she do next? She counted on 3.
4, 5, 6,
And how many were on our fingers?
3.
So 3 plus 3.
Equals 6.
Wow. Do you think anyone here can be like Brittany, the first grader, and model a problem for us? Show us a problem? Anybody? Oh. Johnny, start us off. I'll give you the buttons. You're going to need to be secretive about how many you put in here because we don't want anybody to see.
Can we close their eyes?
You can close your eyes. Good idea, Kyla.
Okay. Now, I'm going to go over here.
Brene, move where Johnny was so I can be a part of the class here. Move where Johnny was. Make a quick decision, Johnny. Elijah.
Take a peeking.
Ready to learn. Is that your business? You couldn't see him if you weren't peeking.
Now, can you give me the top?
You want me to pick the top? Oh, the top of it, but yes, right there. Good? Make a good decision. We're giving us some time to think. While we're thinking, what do you think is a good strategy for how to figure out an unknown addend problem? I heard Jasmine say it before. What's a good strategy to figure it out?
I know how to use it.
You can't tell me yet. You gotta keep it a secret. What's a good strategy? What's a good way to figure out, Elijah? What's a good way to figure out if you need to count on? What is something you could do? Jasmine, what did we say before? What did Brittany, the first grader, do?
Count on.
Count on. What was she doing? Say it.
Count on.
Everybody?
Count on.
All right, Johnny's almost ready for us.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Turkey.
All right, Tricky. Let's give Johnny the same respect that you gave Brittany, the first grader. Oh, you have to do the problem, sir. Oh, you came to the other side. Okay.
So, Pete has 2 buttons on his shirt, okay? And then he has some more. Now there is 7. Wait, 8.
Can you say that one more time so the people in the back can hear? Because I didn't hear. Elijah, fix your body.
So there was 2 buttons on Pete's shirt. Then he added some more. Now there's 8.
Okay, well, help us figure it out. I don't know what to do. We don't know what to do.
3, 2.
Turn and face the class.
Okay. Start with 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
How many are on my fingers?
6.
Oh, not my show. Go, Johnny. Well, how many are on my fingers? Oh.
Now.
Hold on. Try that again, because I don't think everybody saw you do it. Face them and count on.
So, did you guys see me do it?
Yes.
How you guys did it?
No.
So,
No.
start out with 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have 6. I think there's 6 in the box.
Let's see. Let's see.
2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You might have put too many in there. How could you fix that to make it right? How could you fix it?
I know.
Fix your buttons here and make it right.
Okay.
Think to yourself, how could Johnny fix it to make it right? Think to yourself. Up. Put it in your brain.
Bubble.
Yep, put it in your bubble.
Let's go. 1.
2. Take 2 out or put 2 in?
Take 2 out.
Okay, Johnny. I think you heard your classmates say to take 2 out now. Do we have 6? Back up. I know we're excited, but you need to back up.
6.
We have 6. Let's send Johnny all of our energy in a wave. That was really good. I like how Johnny, picture bodies in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go back to your seat. I really like how Johnny thought to himself, okay, I had 2 here, Pete added some more, and now he has 8. And then he counted on. What's our strategy for figuring out unknown addends? To count on, what is it?
To count.
Try it again, but not just behind it. To what? Count on. To count on. So he started with 2 in his head, and then he counted up 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many did he have on his fingers? Okay, he had 6. All right. We're going to clean up Pete's shirt. And Miss Hutchinson and Brittany, the first grader, is going to come back and show you how to do one on paper so you can do one yourself. Are you excited to do one yourself?
Yeah!
Stand up. No need to yell. Sit, move. Nope, move to your carpet seat. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yeah, you can sit down. Oops, I broke it.
Oh, it's okay.
It's okay. I can make a mistake. Yep. All right. So, I have a very cool problem up here. Still using Pete the cat. To understand unknown addends. What are we trying to understand today?
Unknown addends.
You got it, dude. Okay. Well, let's wonder what this is.
Maybe you have to turn it on.
Stand up and take 5 seconds of wiggles. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit and face me. Okay. Kennedy, go turn the light off. Turn them both off. Class, class, class. Class. Turn and face the board and fix your body. You need to take a second to calm down. I know Pete's really exciting, but you take a second to calm down. Okay, so this is Brittany the first grader's Pete the cat problem. That must mean that Miss Hutchinson is no longer needed here. Who needs to come back?
Brittany the first grader.
Brittany the first grader needs to come back. Okay, are you ready for her to come back?
Yes.
She can't come back. 2 people moving all over the carpet, though. That's not going to work. You ready?
Yes.
Okay, I am back. Now, this says Brittany the first grader. You made a problem for me. Thank you so much. Okay, it says, Pete has 6 buttons on his shirt. His mom sewed some more on. Now he has 8 buttons. How many buttons did his mom sew? Okay, so Pete started with 6 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, this is wrong. I need to make a change. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Seems like I need to add 2 more to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I added 2, so I'm going to add 2 more to it. All right. Miss Hutchinson must have been working really late last night to have this be wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6. I have 6 buttons. His mom sewed some more on. So I don't know what this is. Question mark, I don't know. That must be my unknown addend. At the end, he had 8. I'm going to count on again, because that seems to make sense to count on. So I start with 6 in my brain. 6, 7, 8.
9, 8.
So I had 6. I needed to get to 8. Now I have 2 on my fingers. It must mean that 6 plus 2 equals 8. Let's try that again. 6, 7, 8. 6 plus 2 equals 8. So, down here, got messed up. There is a number bond. I've got 6 right here. What was my missing number? Let me think about that. 6, 7, 8. My missing number was 2. So that must mean my number bond needed a 2 to make it 8. I feel like I'm getting better at unknown addend problems. Thumbs up if you feel like you're getting better at unknown addend problems. Okay, you ready for Miss Hutchinson to come back?
Yeah.
Okay. What did we learn from Brittany the first grader? What did we learn from her? What did she teach us? What did she teach us? Take a second to think on your brain about that. What did she teach us? Elijah, you need to be thinking about it. Hands down off your brain. going to turn and tell your partner what Brittany the first grader just taught you. Turn and talk.
Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry, Kyla. I made a mistake. Peanut butters go first, please. Peanut butters go first, please. I'll be the peanut butter.
Okay, come on. So she put
Amazing and sweetie. You learned to do kindergarten. Tell me what you learned. No, I did that. It was messed up. Nice job. Back to me.
Okay.
Ooh, that was nicely done that time. Brene, I feel like I want you to share because you, oh man, I asked Brene if she's a fourth grader or not because man, she is working this math. Tell us what happened. Tell us what you learned from Brittany the first grader.
I learned that she put 6 in her head and counted on. So she was 6, 7, 8. So she got her total.
You said that word. Total. Nice job. From counting what?
Counting on.
Send Brene your energy in a wave to the sun. Good, hands down. Hands down. Okay. Are you ready to do your own practice this time?
Yeah!
You are going to be working with a partner. And you are going to have your very own Pete the Cat problem. Oh. I need you to fix your bodies in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You are going to work with your seat partner at your table. You are going to get a problem. You are going to get a problem. Oh, it's a shame I can't talk when I've got friends talking. Thank you. You are going to get a problem, and you're going to do it just the way Brittany the first grader did it. I want to see you counting on. I want to see you working well with your partner. You're going to get 1 paper and 1
Pencil.
1 paper, 1 pencil. We have to share. That means we have to take turns. What happens if Jacob says to me, "Give me back that pencil"? What happens if he says that to me? Kyla.
You snatched it from him, but you got asked.
So what would I say? What kind of statement would I use to fix that problem? Henry.
Please use that pencil.
Henry.
Can you please give me my pencil, please? Because I feel sad when you do my pencil.
I heard it.
on my hand.
I feel sad when you blank. I would like for you to blank. I want to hear those problem solving when we're happening. Okay. I am going to give you your paper for your partner and you.
Addend and Abraham, please.
Stand up. Go back to your seat.